Hey everybody, Joe Robinson here at Spencer's Ventura Mattress Factory here in Ventura, California. Today I'm really excited because we have a product that we're really pumped to show you. We've been making YouTube videos for the last year and a half.
Yeah, about a year and a half.
Or so, and we've cut open Purple Mattress, Casper, Beauty Rest, and we don't like any of them. But today, we're gonna open one of the leading mattresses in the country called Avocado, which some of you may already know. And we're gonna also cut open a Harvest Green mattress, which is basically the same build, but for less money. And that's what we're so excited about, because we believe in the value and we believe in the construction of the bed. So check it out. You're not gonna get one mattress getting open today, but two. You're gonna get to see the inside and our take on it. So stay tuned. So where are we gonna start with this comparison of these two beds?
So this is an Avocado Green mattress. That's their domain, avocadogreenmattress.com. And this is a harvestgreenmattress.com. And we're gonna compare the two like beds. These are built so similar, and they both have different models that go up, you know, different designs and models. This is their base model, and they're designed really similar. As a matter of fact, the next model up is designed exactly, but we're gonna open these and see how close they are for the price comparison and the quality. But I want to start with the boxes first.
Yeah, like I've noticed this one doesn't have any markings on it, and this one's full of made in Los Angeles.
Right, so Avocado is a smaller company. It was started by a gentleman out in the Los Angeles area, and he's just done a great job of marketing to the country. So it's the #1 rated, I guess they're in Consumer Digest along with some others. And he's done a good job in marketing. You can see he's got a lot of credentials, made in Los Angeles, global organic textiles, got certified, and then he starts getting into
certified, printed with soy ink.
Soy ink, so he's really got these things loaded up here.
Endorsed by the American Chiropractic Association.
He's got every endorsement.
Climate neutral certified.
Yeah, so it sounds good, it's great. Then you go to a really large manufacturer that I distribute for. I just started distributing their product because I wasn't into bed in the box as I saw all the foam beds coming out on the market. These have springs in them, and they have natural latex, organic latex.
And why don't you like bed in the boxes generally?
Because of the foam. I mean, polyurethane foam's different, it breaks down. So when you compress and roll and fold, and then you ship it and it sits in a box more than 30 days, it really ruins its luster and it breaks it down.
And, and we're gonna see how similar these two are, because these are the
base
models.
There's a subtle change in these, so I want to see what it is, but the next model up, which is the best seller for Harvest Green, it's called their Original. That's their best seller. It's a
we hope to open up the next model up, but it takes time, you know.
I just want to get these in a small format and do this, but so this ought to be fun.
All right, let's open these guys up.
Yeah, so which one you want to do first?
What do you guys think? I think we start with the Avocado.
So here we go. We're going to open this Avocado. This is Avocado's base model. They have a children's model as well. So this is a twin size, and it's their Echo. And we're going to pull it out of the box. You can see how it's in there. You know, rolled up. They roll it up. There's actually springs in there, by the way. So, and it's heavy. It's not light. That's for sure. So we're going, this is the bottom. I opened up, the bottom is on the inside. Let's cut the package.
You can see the springs.
This is the springs before I cut it open. This is the bottom. This has got looks like a cotton canvas type material, which is nice, really nice. So let's see here. This is a medium firm. It's got some handles on it, which is nice. I believe Harvest Green doesn't. So when we manufacture mattresses, we have handles that we put on our beds, on some beds and some we don't. Handles are mainly for positioning your mattress if you wanted to, but once it's in spot, it's really not necessary to do.
Right.
Once or twice a year, you might turn it all the way around. It just takes two people. Harvest Green, I believe, doesn't have handles, but we're going to find out. So handles cost us, I think, I'd like to say $4 a piece or so.
Okay.
4 times 4 is $12. What is that? 4 times
16.
4? What is that? I don't even know what it is.
And then you mark it up 32. Right?
Then you mark it up, and now you're at $30 expense to the consumer for handles that really no one.
For a twin bed, do you really need?
Yeah, I mean, well, people are buying kings and queens as well.
No, I think for a king and queen, maybe
yeah.
it makes a little more sense.
I mean, it looks good. It's nice. It's got a nice look to it.
It does. I mean, it's nice. It's soft. It's nice that it's organic.
Let's tear this off, Joe. And these are called hog greens. They just staple that on there. And this is the bottom. So you want to just leave it at that? Just pull back that much, probably?
Yeah, that works.
I don't think we need to take it all apart.
Yeah, let's get a little closer look at this.
I just wanted to take the myth out of everything being all natural.
Totally.
Really, let's just
sure.
cut it for what it is. So this is polypropylene right here. This is petroleum-based material that goes over each coil, and it's actually, see all this glue? It's glued down to it right here.
Oh yeah.
To hold it on.
Yeah, you can see the glue on.
Right.
Here.
So, and that's a process to hold. This is called scrim, but each coil is independently wrapped in polypropylene. They're not wrapped in organic cotton. There are spring units out of Europe, and there may be 1 or 2 manufacturers that make them in America that wrap them in actual cotton fabric, and they don't glue them together. But this is polypropylene. A lot of it in the bed. Enjoy.
Okay. That's good to know.
And Harvest Green is going to have that as well.
Okay.
I just know the producers of these coils that's the way they do it here in America. So we're going to open a twin size Harvest Green mattress. No fancy logos on this, but pretty much all about it being organic, natural, and a great price. So I'm going to open it right now.
It's a good-looking label.
Yeah. Again, a little wrinkly, just like the avocado, because again, it's compressed, natural materials, but all this comes out with use. Same thing.
And what kind of firmness do you think this one is?
I think it's got this nice, little
firmer.
Probably a little more firm
Than the one we just opened.
I think so.
Yeah.
I think it's a little more firm. So big difference that I see here, obviously you pointed out first, was that it's tape edged on both sides.
Which is really cool.
Yeah, that's nice. It's a little more laborious, but that's what it is.
It's surprising. I wasn't expecting
Yeah. And then it's actually quilted on the top. So this whole cover has, well, it looks like a little cloud print here. It says organic cotton. It's 100% organic cotton as well. It's got this quilting which holds, they quilt it to wool probably in there. We're going to find out. So they have on the latex, come over here, Joe.
Yep.
They do. So they have a thicker gauge coil wrapped around the edge of theirs.
But the same size.
But the same size.
Whereas the avocado has a
smaller
size.
diameter size.
Yeah.
6 to 1, half dozen to another on quality grade. Other than what I'd like to show you is that let me see, 1, 2, 3. Wait, 1, 2. So you have 3 turns of steel in these coils versus 2 turns of steel.
Right.
So those are going to be a little more softer because that's just what it is. So this has more pushback to it.
Right.
So this is a nicer, firmer coil. Let's just go there. You only do have 1 layer of latex in there. So you do have 1 layer of Dunlop latex. And it's sitting directly on top of the coil as well, same as avocado. So no difference other than the fact that they're wrapping wool down the side.
And the coil's on the side.
Right, and this has rayon, which isn't harmful at all, quilted to the inside here.
Okay.
This would be a cost savings of about probably $50 from a manufacturing point of view, just guessing, which adds up to the customer. That's $100 difference savings to the consumer. So if you could go with some rayon in the side of your bed here as a fire barrier, then you're getting a nice natural organic bed as well. So again, rayon's really, there's nothing wrong with that as far as VOCs or anything to that degree.
Spencer is selling the Harvest Green, and I'm blown away because we've been criticizing bed and boxes for a year and a half on these YouTube videos, and now here we are promoting a bed in the box. And the reason we are is because it's got good value, it's well constructed. The one bed in the box that we have been promoting, you know, here and there has been Avocado. If someone's like, well, I really just want to get something for the guest room, occasionally
they want affordable, like natural, healthy mattresses.
Yeah, exactly.
And they're hard to find, because if we're going to do this in organic latex, you're going to be at a higher price point.
Right.
So that's
why we're excited, because to be able to give somebody who does care about that but maybe can't afford the higher end organic, all natural beds, to give them an affordable option is we like to give people options that they're excited about. So we're excited about Harvest.
Yeah.
Want to see one of the best competitors to one of the leading all natural organic mattresses in the country? Check out Harvest Green Mattresses right here.